Meet the K2000, our most powerful electric pressure washer that delivers best-in-class performance, value, and convenience. Simply hook up, turn on, and wash. The K2000 generates 2,000 psi of true pressure cleaning power. It's great for tough driveway and home cleaning, as well as fences, patio furniture, and your garage doors. Karcher. Cleaner. Quicker. The portable K2000 has power for deep cleaning. An assortment of quick connect nozzles, 2 removable detergent tanks with a dial, durable all-metal wand and hose connections, with oversized wheels, all on a heavy-duty frame. The K2000 is equipped with a powerful induction motor for a longer life. You operate the on-off switch by foot, and the quiet electric motor turns off when you stop spraying. When you're done, everything stores on board. The cord on the handle, a pressure hose reel for convenient use and storage of the high-pressure hose, and a handy storage bin holds the spray gun, or whatever you need. The handle even folds for compact storing. With Karcher, you get the best power for your dollar and a superior 3-year best-in-class warranty. For even more convenience, you can add hose extensions, surface cleaners, wash brushes, or foaming soap applicators to give you even more versatility. Karcher pressure washers give you the power to complete projects quickly, so your home looks like new again. Karcher makes a difference.
The toughest require the most powerful electric pressure washer we make, the Stanley SHP 2150. Class-leading 2,150 psi for the power to clean almost anything. That's 43 times the power of a standard garden hose while using 80% less water. Clean surfaces like house siding with mildew, mold, and moss. Power clean decks and fences to look new again with 2150 psi of power. Choose the SHP 2150 because it represents the quality you see from Stanley. Refresh cement, stone, and asphalt surfaces. Spray down all of your patio areas, including your patio furniture, to make everything look new again. Save money cleaning your vehicles by pressure washing them clean. Stanley electric pressure washers are performance in action. Buy yours today.
tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never